Hi, I'm Egle Vaitkeviciute. I am the CEO at Baltic Aviation Academy, and we represent here at the India Air Show the Aviation group. Under this group, there are quite a lot of aviation-related companies, but the three main ones that we represent here is Baltic Aviation Academy. It's the crew pilot training organization. We also represent FL Techniques, which is an MRO organization, and Locatory, which is a platform for spare parts supply. We actually provide a lot of opportunities because we can train them from the very beginning, basically ab initio. So if you qualify, to at least 3 factors, you can join our academy. Then you can choose the type that you want to operate of an aircraft, and you can go for the type rating. We also can provide an opportunity for a job interview because under Aviation Group we also have a charter airline, and they're always looking for various solutions and constantly expanding and hiring new pilots. We're actually rather global academy because we run, our main headquarters office is in Vilnius, which is Lithuania, one of the Baltic states, and our operation networks with the simulators is very widespread. It actually covers USA as well as Europe, and we operate for ab initio school. We have airports in Lithuania, and we have plans to develop it in Spain as well. So that's for now.